Let me be honest for a second. If you're trying to get into pharma, or you're already in it and feeling a bit stuck, weight loss drugs might be the biggest career opportunity you're not paying attention to. Most people hear about these drugs and think, that's just a medical trend. What they don't realize is that it's also a career trend. Entire teams are being built around this space. Budgets are moving. Senior leaders are paying attention. And the people working anywhere near these drugs are getting more visibility, more opportunities, and faster career movement. Before we go any further, if you care about improving your career and understanding how industry trends actually affect you, subscribe to Career Improv. That's exactly what we do here. Now let me explain why this matters, whether you're outside pharma looking in, or already inside the industry. When a therapy area grows this fast, companies invest heavily. That means new roles, new projects, and new ways to get your foot in the door. Weight loss drugs are doing exactly that right now. If you're trying to get into pharma, here's the good news. You don't need to be a scientist, and you don't need years of experience. What you do need is basic understanding. You should be able to explain what these drugs do, why demand is so high, why supply is limited, and why cost and access are such big issues. If you can explain that clearly, you already sound industry aware to recruiters. A lot of people enter pharma through support roles, operations, project coordination, market research, access or policy support, or commercial and medical admin roles. These roles exist because fast-growing therapy areas need people. Once you're inside, moving across the industry becomes much easier. Now, if you're already working in pharma, this is where things get interesting. You don't need to change jobs or chase a new title. What you need is proximity. Volunteer for obesity or metabolic portfolios. Support launch projects. Get involved in access or patient support initiatives. Join cross-functional working groups. These projects attract senior attention, and that attention matters for careers. One mistake people make is focusing only on how well the drugs work. Senior leaders care about something else. They care about who pays for these drugs, who gets access, how long patients stay on treatment, and what all of this means for healthcare budgets. If you can speak sensibly about those real-world issues, you stand out fast. And here's a simple but powerful step most people skip. Say you're interested. Say you want exposure to obesity or metabolic work. Say you're happy to support weight loss initiatives. Opportunities often go to the people who make their interest visible. Right now, many strong pharma careers are being built around experience with companies leading in this space, like Novo Nordisk and Eli Lilly. Even short-term exposure to this area can make a big difference to your CV. So here's the takeaway. Whether you're trying to get into pharma, or you're already in it, the rule is the same. Stand close to where the industry is growing. Right now, weight loss drugs are creating entry points, accelerating careers, and opening doors that didn't exist a few years ago. And if you want more clear, practical advice like this, subscribe to Career Improv. That's where we turn industry trends into real career moves.